Hey guys, it's Lakeisha Hankins here from LakeishaHankins.com with a special invitation for you to come and hang out with us on Sunday nights. On Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do it's a live hangout with the winning women of DS Domination, right? So the winning women on our team, come by, hear success stories of how we've been able to use this simple strategy of copying and pasting and posting, products on Amazon and just really cashing in. How this is opportunity has changed my life, has changed the life of many other women, and it's on Sunday night. So at that time, most of moms, of course, or even the guys are at home. You're relaxing around the house. Why not come out and hang out with us and see what this opportunity is all about? Come and get your questions answered. Come see why we are so excited. Come see what DS Domination is all about. How the average mom can actually make some income from home, supplement her income, not have to worry about punching a clock, be able to retire early, all those different things with this company, or even be able to go on a vacation. I'm so excited. This is for the longest I've been wanting to take my entire family on the cruise. So because of DS Domination in December, my family and I will be spending Christmas in the Bahamas on a cruise. So I'm super excited. So come in, come out, come hang out with us on Sunday nights, see what DS Domination is all about, and get your questions answered. If you have any questions, definitely connect with me on Facebook, send me a message, let me know however I can best best help you. Because at the end of the day, it's not about me. I'm on a mission to be able to help as many moms as possible be able to supplement their income and live the life that they once dreamed about. Whatever dreams you have, maybe even placed on the back burner, it's time to awaken those dreams and make your dreams a reality. Okay, so I'll see you Sunday night. Click the link below. Hey, bit.ly.com, hang with Lakeisha. All right, have a great evening.